everybody, and welcome to this stream on a very exciting Wednesday. Why is it so exciting? Because today we will have FOMC. Probably gonna have a lot of volatility. We had a move to the downside overnight. We were trading around that point of control with there was a lot of volume, and we actually dropped down from here. We have money flow still going up, so it's gonna have a very hard time pumping back up, even though we have some vector candles here. Same on the 1 hour. Technically there is exhausted bearish momentum. The momentum wave is already really low. However, we can see that money flow is going down and the VWAP is above the zero line, and there's a lot of weight, so it's gonna have a hard time to go up. SpaceX, oh, it's holding. Let's put a fixed range here. Might rotate back up to the value area high. Yeah, it's holding really well on this moving average here as well. Money flow is looking good. 1 hour, 30 minutes is it's okay, not particularly good. 2 hour, oh, not looking good. Not looking bad actually. With a green dot, money flow coming up, so actually could have a decent move up. You have some limits still down here. If we zoom out, here we have a few clusters of limit longs, or at least let's say not longs but buys. This could also be shorts closing out. We're still in our trade, by the way, so we had a pretty good risk reward. I thought about taking profit here because all of the open interest got flushed out here from that pump, but still, why do I think we will go lower is it was a news-driven pump, and news-driven pumps just are being retraced most of the times. Ah, hello, and the thought. Yeah, I'm still in the short. Are you? Nope, closed it very early because of market size, but looking for a re-enter. Yeah, where are you looking to re-enter? Probably here, right? On the point of control. I was also debating whether I should close here when we dropped below those wicks. I was expecting it to pump because of all the exhaustion, the desired exhaustion. I feel like market size on the higher time frame looks still bullish in my opinion, but there are so many longs and the 1 hour structure change is not really favoring a long. Yeah, honestly, I was thinking about longing that, but I don't know. I don't think I'm going to blindly long here unless order flow is very clear and there's an insane amount of shorts coming in. Otherwise, I would rather. That's the thing. So I would rather look for a better entry and for structure to form. And overall, that's also the thing why I'm really careful with longs, because overall I am more bearish than bullish. This could technically also be a deviation, we have this range here, we fall back in, we retest that value area high and we just go down. I talked about it. I think this deal with Iran and the US is bullshit anyway. It doesn't impact the market that much. The market just looks shit. And that's why I'm not too bullish. We have not seen a big candle in a very long time. No, this dump was a very bear market-like drop. It was spot driven, very consistent, but not that fast. But we haven't seen a wick like that in a long time. Well, I'm interested in the new guy. Yeah, but well, he's also just a Fed chairman. He's not going to say something. Not much different stuff. They will try to continue to lower the rates, blah blah blah. And probably they will, but yeah, well, I don't know how the market is going to react, but technically it's not a good sign when they lower the rates, because that's a sign that the economy is weakening and they don't want to completely fuck up the economy, so they have to lower the rates. I saw the video today with the $100 challenge, and I had to laugh because you kept the beginning, my first failed try in the video. I couldn't stop laughing the whole evening while cutting. Eve not doing too well either, but I've talked about this. Look at that. Eve looks absolutely terrible. Wow. I get. I don't know. I would not be surprised if it never went back up. Like if this was the all-time high, because we're close to making lower lows. Like we go below previous bull market lows. That would be insane. What's the market cap of ETH? 200 billion. I don't know. Isn't that slightly overvalued? It's just because people buy it to make money. So there's a lot of money in it. But 200 million for a coin? Like, who is actually using Ethereum? I don't know anybody that's actually using Ethereum. This is German companies ranked by market cap. Siemens, number one German company, 241 billion. And now Ethereum is down. You know, Ethereum used to be at 600 billion market cap, so twice as much. And that's the largest German company. And Ethereum is bigger. And who fucking uses Ethereum? Then you have Telekom. You have so many companies. I take a shit and this candle happens. What the hell? Yeah. Actually not looking too bad. Lots of longs closed. Binance, Bybit, pretty much everywhere. OKX. And they retraced that vector candle. They're creating new vector candles here as well. 30-minute not looking great. Money flow might go down. Could also go up. It's very indecisive, probably because of FOMC. 1 hour. We have VWAP above zero line at around values like 8. We have money flow coming down, so not a lot of strength. What are the higher time frames doing? 12 hour. Red money flow. We have a red dot confirmed. Looking great. We have spread RSI coming together. Money flow, however, coming up a little bit. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed today's stream. Keep watching if you want to learn. Also, maybe if you want some free money, because if this challenge account gets to $1,000, we will give away part of the money. So thanks everybody for tuning in, and see you next time. Bye.